Hola, soy Eli y aquí está el informe de mal tiempo. Aquí tenemos nuestra primera tormenta de la temporada en el Atlántico y se llama Andrea. Andrea tiene unos pocos peligros afectando tierra. Peligros son marejada ciclónica, lluvia, viento y tornados. Un aviso de tormenta tropical es en efecto en un momento donde está el mapa muy baja. Aquí. Aquí es el mapa de vigilancias y avisos. Avisos. Son avisos de tormenta tropical aquí y por aquí. Ya. Lluvias se espera inundaciones y inundaciones repentinas. Es el mapa de QPF. Es el mapa para lluvia. Lluvias muy fuertes para la costa del oeste de Estados Unidos. Ya. Y tornados, aquí es el cosa. 5% para los tornados hoy. Y también tenemos una vigilancia de tornado para Florida. Y ya. Este es el mapa de avisos de tornado recientes. Ya ha habido unos pocos avisos de tornado. Unos pocos. Okay, I think that's as much as I can do in Spanish. So let's talk about Andrea. Yes, Andrea is the first storm of the tropical season for the Atlantic, the hurricane season for the Atlantic Ocean. And yes, Andrea is going to be moving up the coast, is predicted to become post-tropical in the next 36 to 48 hours, I do believe, but is going to be bringing the torrential rains as she does. So wind is actually not the biggest threat with this. I would say the tornadoes, of course, and then, the rain. So the flash flooding, problems with that. Yes. So let's get back to here. So if you go all the way up to the top, if it lets me scroll fast enough, which it won't. There we go. So we've got the radar as Andrea's coming in. Andrea may have already at this point, but is expected to make landfall. Andrea se espera que llegue a tierra pronto. Right. So, and then there's the satellite loop of Andrea moving in. So it looks like possibly not quite yet, or maybe about to at this time. So yes, tenemos dos cosas más. Una zona de probabilidad por aquí en el Atlántico, pero no es muy alta probabilidad, es muy baja. Es cerca de 0% probabilidad de esta zona convertirse en un ciclón tropical durante las próximas 48 horas. Ya. Y aquí en el noroeste del Pacífico tenemos una probabilidad baja para esta zona aquí. Ya. So, yes, so 2 areas of probability low on this one. This thing probably not going to be anything at all, since it's a near 0% chance on that. But we'll turn on the satellite layer, just for the heck of it. So there you go. That is your near 0% chance. But it could, things could turn around. Who knows with that, but who wants it? But yes, Andrea going to definitely be, hopefully, the biggest thing for a while. I shouldn't really say that because I have no idea. But yes, Andrea, first storm of the season and pretty much affecting land. Andrea was affecting land before Andrea was even Andrea, as rains and inundaciones and stuff like that. Yes, so that is what is happening. Tornado HQ, so yes, that's where just a few tornado warnings for Florida in the past few hours. So let's talk about this, the severe thunderstorm weather outlook in general for the Estados Unidos. So here's the mesoscale discussion that's in effect. Watch possible in this area, 40% marginal wind threat will continue. Here are the watches in effect as of the time I loaded the page. So again, with the continued tornado threat for Florida, and then a severe thunderstorm watch back there for Texas. And then here were the warnings in effect as of the time I loaded the page. So one flash flood for no big shock there, Florida, and then several severe thunderstorm warnings. So let's talk about the maps in general. This is the map showing the probability of winds 58 miles per hour and greater today. Now on this, I don't think they count the stuff that's part... I don't know. I will say I don't think they count it when it's part of a tropical storm warning or hurricane warning, because that's not technically a severe thunderstorm thing. It's, severe thunderstorm level winds that are being created by a different phenomenon. Right, however it is that goes. So yes, as high as a 15% and then a 5% up there. So hail-wise, it looks, except for the fact that it drops Florida, it's almost pretty much exactly the same map as the wind map. And then tornado-wise, Florida, of course, with the biggest chance today. So tropical storm, Andrea-related threats, and then something back here for Texas, predominantly with a 2% chance today. Tomorrow, here's your threat related to Andrea, and then we've got threats back there for severe thunderstorm-related things. So this, again, would be presumably all Andrea-related and probably a tornado threat. And then as high as a 15% in two areas, and then a 5% up there. Day 3, it jumps all the way to 30%. And yes, so there's your highest area with is 5% affecting parts of the country. Days 4 through 8 are currently predictability too low. So they are expecting some sort of severe thunderstorm weather in the medium range outlook, but the timing and the location is not yet certain enough for the Storm Prediction Center to have said anything with any sort of definiteness. Is that a word? I have no idea. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of this screencast. WikiWix is WICKED, WX.com. Cyclocane is over here somewhere. There we go. Cyclocane is CYCLO. Let's turn on all the satellites. Yes, turn on all the things. Look at all that rain. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today, and hopefully you're staying safe out there.